Welcome to the week's today's Elliott Wave analysis. My name is Okoyeocha. Today is 11th day of March 2023. Let me remind you quickly about what we are always say of what's happening online. There are so many fraudsters, those who are lazy, who don't want to do anything. Rather, they like to eat without working. They like to take from those who are working. I noticed they always come under the description of my video to play some tricks. They will make a comment. This is a nice analysis, all that. Then they will ask, why is trading so difficult? All this, all that. Maybe the same person again will use another account of he created and they say, yes, trading is difficult, but since I met Mr. LYZ or Miss LYZ, since then I have made 20 Bitcoin, I've made this, I have made that. They are fraudsters. They want to trick you. Because why? They are playing on your psychology. Because why? Maybe you are desperate to make money trading. Because why? Maybe everybody needs money and everybody wants to make profit. They make it as if to see that it is easy to do. That are people who make it easy. And what are they trying to do? They lure you into their scam sites or scam channel. They will scam you. Trading is not that easy. If it's easy, everybody will make money because what what is a click of a button. If it is easy, everybody will come to open his laptop, click button, and make money and go. So we spent years learning, practicing. So you need to learn. You need to learn. And the following service signal providers is neither a good idea. So having said this, it's left for you to make use of your sense and ignore those criminals. If you're willing to learn from me, my link is there on the bio of this video, my phone numbers, everything. You learn from me. If not, you can learn from any person that can teach you well. Okay, let's go to the business of the day. DXY, you remember, in my opinion, we're gonna get this high. Okay, but you know, it's not a must. It might have started like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe leading diagonal to give us then and go. So now we focus on lower time frame, which we trade in coming week, 4 hours. Excuse me. So now this drop is too sharp. It's too sharp, but no problem. And you know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So possibility of getting an A, B, C is here. So maybe this is wave A, which have finished. This going up might be the wave B. And if that is the case, we get wave C. Once we get wave C, it's time to look for buy the top and buy. Okay. So that's the much I have on DXY. Then let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD is opposite of DXY, and you can see it watches the two charts. We're looking for buy on DXY. We're looking for sell on EURUSD. So now this move down. This move down is an impulse wave, whether sharp or not, and this move here is a correction, a kind of A, B, C. So I'm looking for sell. This drop is an indication that it's gonna sell. So once it gives us correction again, we sell. Okay. Then if there is anything to buy, the price must at least close above this place. Then we look for buy. If not, I'm looking for sell. I don't have any other buyers, if not sell. Okay. USDCHF, sorry, USDCAD. What happened on USDCAD? USDCAD, we expected, let me just show you daily. USDCAD, we might get a higher price. Maybe before selling, we might get to 1.42 area before it sells. But even if that is the case, it will continue to go up. You can see all this move. It's a very big move. So market don't go in a direct move. It will sometimes somewhere correct. You can see this one. After this move, it gives us a correction before it go again. So likely we're gonna get something like this before it buy again. So let's see 4 hours. So after all this move, we're gonna get a pullback. I mean a correction before it begin to drop. So selling is what we are looking for. I don't know whether this is where we are looking for sell, but if you have experience in 1 hour or lower, this can be making an any diagonal. Once it's finished, you can find sell setup around here instead of waiting for it to drop to this level. So it's left for you to do what you can do. Don't trade carelessly. Okay, so let's move. Let's go to USDCHF. 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 What do we have there? This looks like an expanding flat. Though 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's either expanding flat or leading diagonal, whichever one. Let's go to lower time frame where we have business to do. Let's go to 4 hours, nothing on daily. I expected USDCHF to give me something like this and go up, but the move down was too sharp. So for that, the only thing that makes meaning is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like we're getting 1, 2, and 3. So we expect to get 4 and 5. After that, we know whether to continue selling or to buy. So that's the much we can do on USDCHF. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, what do we have? Let's see daily. All this move is correction. It's correction. So it's either ABC, which is W. Then maybe we can go up and get with X, then drop again and get with Y before we now buy. Or it can even go deeper than this. So let's focus. Let's go to lower time frame to see what we have. Now, lower time frame, all this move is like running flat, which means in my own bias, I'm looking for sell setup from here. I'm looking for sell setup from here. But one thing about wave analysis is that once you have the knowledge, you can be looking for sell setup, then buy setup will occur. You take buy. So this is one of the things you need to learn, because I do analysis once a week. Then sometimes when I have time, I do midweek review. So as I said that I'm looking for sell setup, buy setup may occur. Then I take it, but you won't know. You don't just buy because I say I'm looking for buy setup. So now, for me to look for buy setup at all, okay, if you don't have experience, once it go above this level, you look for buy. That's the only thing I can tell you. But as long as it is still within this channel, lower channel, I'm looking for sell. And I think by Monday, Tuesday, sales setup gonna occur. And then the selling will continue to where I show you on daily. AUDUSD. AUDUSD, what do we have there? It is still selling, entering on weekly. Are we going to make a new low? I think I don't think anyway. Let's see daily. Now daily, this very move is sharp. So now what am I expecting? I expect it to drop further. Maybe after that we get something like this. By then we know whether it will move again or it will do something like this. I begin to go up. So that is, it's still too far to worry about for now. So let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, the market is dropping, and in my opinion, we still have one more drop. We still have one more drop before we look for buy. So for now, I'm not looking for buy. I can only look for buy if the market reverse unexpectedly. For instance, market open on Monday or on Sunday night, I see a sharp move that will close above this level. That's when I will begin to look for buy. Even if it is going back like this, I will be looking for sell because it will eventually drop again. Okay, so using the USD, what do we have? The same situation as we see on AUDUSD. Though the shape of the correction is not the same, but both of them are doing the same thing. It's still making correction to drop again. So you just look for your sell setup if you can recognize it, because in this very, let me put one of our chart. In this very chart, sale occurred here yesterday, being Friday. I took the sell, I closed it because Mondays cannot be predicted. But if I set it up again, we already have set it up, but it's not touched yet matured. So I'm looking for another sell from here. Eventually, another sell again will happen. So if I take this very sell, I may leave it until it drop to 0.06 before I talk about closing it. And once I close it, I'll begin to look for buy. JP225. JP225. What do we have? Let me go to weekly. Remember, for many weeks now, almost, I said we might get this drop. We might get this drop. Let me adjust this chart. Let me adjust this chart a little. So now, remember I told you that I'm looking for sell, except the price goes above this with X. If not, I will continue to look for sell. Now, there's something I want to let you know. There's something I want to let you know. That is, I mean, this drop is a sign of rejection. You know, now let me show you something. For those who study price action, now look at this. Although the candles are not the same, but it's the same sign of rejection. You can see a drop and a sharp reversal. Okay, so the possibility of getting a drop at least this type of drop, this place, we might get it, even if we don't get this very drop, but we can get this very drop, then all this become a flat, and it will go again. And if this becomes a flat, if it goes up to this like this, it will still drop. This becomes another flat, then it can drop again, but it will not come to this level again, but it will surely drop. Meanwhile, this is a weekly chart. Let's not waste our time on our weekly chart. Let's see daily chart. You can see how sharp this is. You can see how sharp. Okay, so there's nothing much to say here. Not just go to 4 hours, 1 hour, look for sales setup. Simple. EURJPY. What do we have on EURJPY? I'm looking for sell. That's right there. That's just a day. The market was struggling to buy. If it will go up and drop it, I mean, throughout last week, it will go up, drop again. Let me show you daily. We can see the channel again. The market was trying to break this channel. It keeps struggling, and I think it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. So let's go back to 4 hours again. Even if it doesn't go up, sorry, go down now, it will do something like this. It will just move up, break this, then begin to go down. Now, I'm showing you this, not that I'm looking for buy. I'm not looking for buy. I'm only looking for sell setup. Then I will sell. But the possibility of going up is still there. So all the yen pays is the same thing. I'm looking for sell, because they couldn't make the higher high we are looking for. So USDJPY, the same type of situation. Now daily is showing us that this is likely to be an ABC. So ABC. So this will be the fact. JPY pays are the trades of this month. The remaining month will be JPY pays. Okay, so now let's see 4 hours. This sharp drop confirms that the selling is what we are getting. Dollar has been so strong for the week. Other yen pays are struggling to go up, but USDJPY is going up sharp. So now it has succumbed to the pressure. Okay, this is wave 3, 4, 5. It's closer below wave 4. So I'm looking for sell setup, and no more, no less. Pounds JPY. Same situation. Pounds JPY chart is complex. I sold this pair from here. I closed it here and I sold it again. When it is going sharp up and down, when it's failed to move, I close it. Then in the evening, it dropped. It doesn't matter. Whether that opportunity does not finish, and this is just the beginning. Pounds JPY is going down to 150. That is the target. 150 zone is the target. So once the selling is confirmed, no time to waste. You trade if you believe in my analysis. But remember, you must know the setup before you buy or you sell, because market can change at any time. But for now, I can only see sell on yen pays, most of them. Gold. What do you have on gold? Gold. Okay, let me just touch daily chart. Gold. Remember this has been here for many months. For many months now, or many weeks. Sorry, many weeks anyway. That's gold is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That I'm looking for the 5th wave. Okay, so no need to waste time here. I'm getting signs of that what I'm saying is correct. So now, with this sharp move, this sharp drop, okay, this sharp drop seems to make it deeper, but it didn't do this. And it's been to do something like this. It will drop again. But you can see sharp move up again, closed above the sharp drop. So what is there? Something like this, and we get to this level, this level, this level, then something like this, then we go up. So gold is on its way to 22,000. That's the only thing I can say. Look for buy setup on gold. Silver. Silver is lagging behind. Nevertheless, I don't want to sell silver. I'll look for buy once it go above this level and above this level. Though I can get buy set up even here, but let it go to this level, this level. Platinum is also struggling like silver, but it's better than silver because it's already making a kind of higher high. But silver have not made any higher high. So we watch what happens here. If the buying continues and goes above this level, is now we can say we have now confirmed the buy, because this can be an A, B, C for another drop. Though I'm not expecting the drop, but it can still happen. Okay, so let's US oil. US oil, remember, I insist, anyway, my own idea that oil is going down to 60, 50 or below. That remains my own little analysis. Oil is going down. Though the pattern and the wave is making it somehow complex. But it doesn't matter as long as this drop is concerned. Whatever is happening here is correction. So in my own little knowledge, we will get this A, B, C. Then we get drop before we buy. So to me, this channel will be broken and oil will drop to maybe 70 or thereabout. After 70, it will buy to 80, 81, 82, 83, 84 or thereabout. And after that, it will drop again. It will drop to maybe 60, 50 before it will begin to buy and maybe give us a new high. So it calls for caution and patience for those who trade oil. So this is for our chart. I don't know, there's not much to explain. If not, look for sell setup on 4 hours. I don't know how it will happen. Maybe it will make us an ABC, then begin to drop. So I don't have much to say again on that. US 100, NASDAQ 100. US 100, NASDAQ. The pattern is also complex, though not much complex anyway, because it must be making a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave A. Then after that, it will make another A, B, C, which will be with B. Then it will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with C. And then it's going to go up. Okay, so for now, let's see for hours to know what is happening there. So 4 hours, you can see this big channel. We are I think we're gonna get A, B, C move, then another drop to give us W, X, Y, X, Z. I don't want to label it now. I can label it when I see this move up. If this move up doesn't happen, maybe it will give us correction and go again. If you don't see this move up, you may not get this lower channel again. So that's for NASDAQ. And maybe the last chart for, I would like to do cryptos separately. Okay, let me just touch SP500. SP500. Let me explain something here. Let me see there then. Okay, SP500. This must be our A, B, C as running flat. Then with C. Or the wave C might be here. The wave B is here, which means this move has ended. Then the price will begin to drop. Maybe give us correction and drop. So all these things is this that I tell you is important you learn. Because when market presents two bias, two ideas for you, you know what to do. So we might continue buying, or it might continue dropping. It's just 50-50 for now. So let me leave it where I left it before. It's 50-50 for now. But if this happens, then this drop becomes short. For now, it's 50-50. Okay, you're starting. We're starting. It gives us an A, B, C. Now, what we don't know, are we going to get A, B, C to give us W, X, Y somewhere? Okay, this is another possibility to give us a big correction before we buy. Okay, but this is a daily chart. Let's take a look at 4 hours. So 4 hours, this drop is too sharp. It's too sharp because we have a sharp drop. I'm expecting a move up like this before another drop, before we know whether we will get another one that will be with X, then with Y down. For now, I'm looking for correction to sell again. Okay, and that's the end of our data analysis. Watch out for cryptos. Remember to like, share, subscribe, share with friends, share it anywhere you like to share it on your social media handles. Make a comment. That's the only thing you can do for me. Make a comment and share it. That's the only way you can do for me. If this analysis is benefiting you, help me also by making it popular. That's only what I want from you. Share it, like, make a comment, then join our Telegram group. It's free. You can only pay when you want to join the students, but join our Telegram group is free because I share tips every now and then. Sometimes when I see the test setup, I will post it for everybody, but most of them I post in an VIP student group. But at least 2, 3, 4 times a week. I post freely. Thank you and God bless you.